Hello. How's everyone doing? Thank you so much for joining me. We are beginning the weekend. I hope you had a great week and you're ready to start your weekend the right way. Because we can start right now. I see no reason to. I see reason not to. Hello. Hi. How you doing? Okay. Getting the stretchies before we begin. Okay, we are going to continue working on this. We are almost done with functional requirement 2.1, which is authenticated users must be able to add one or more vehicles to their account. We managed to get that done. However, the form still needs some polish. We can't see validation errors, even though we have validation on the back end. The validation labels, the validation error labels are not present. We're going to add that, and I don't remember anything else that we needed to add. I think that was the only thing. So let's go ahead and knock that out. And once that is done, we will move on to functional requirement 2.2. Users must be able to view a list of their registered vehicles. I don't know if I want to go with a table by default, since this is going to be primarily focused on like a mobile app. So I'm thinking more of like cards for every car. We'll see what Flux UI can offer in that regard and how we can display the information efficiently and in a nice way. Let's get things going. In this terminal here, I'm going to start a Vite server. And let's open the app in the browser, see what we got so far. I'm sorry, what? That didn't happen before. That's interesting. I feel so sad that people prefer to hire Vibe coders instead of regular devs. Well, it's unfortunate. I guess we can still take advantage of the vibe coding hype, because we, or at least I as a regular coder, like an old school one, I can still use like Cursor or any other tool to help me do the things that I'm kind of slower at. List of requirements. I suck at documentation. That is one. Stylings in the UI and having things look a certain way. I haven't tried it yet, but I hear that even just providing a picture of the UI that you want can prompt the AI to give you something similar. The advantage that we have is exactly that: code quality. Everyone, if you have a Vibe coder that does not understand what the code does and does not know how to solve problems when they arise and just relies entirely on the AI or the assistant to do it for them, they're going to enter into a very big technical debt that is going to come back and bite them in the ass. While we can use the tool, understand the code that is being given to us, and either use what works and fix what doesn't before even putting it into production, or simply have the code, have it as a reference, and do the rest ourselves based on the direction of what the code is trying to do. Oh, please don't. No. No. I hate Bootstrap. I hate it. No. jQuery, no thank you. JavaScript can do a lot more now than it could be done. jQuery was just a byproduct of how bad JavaScript was at the time. Right now, not necessary. So no, we don't have to go back. We just have to use what we have right now to move forward. Use whatever tools we have, learn new technologies. Don't disregard them as bad. Just learn to use them the right way. Because at the end of the day, the AI is just a tool. If you use the tool wrong, you're gonna get bad things, but you just have to learn how to use it. And whenever you use a tool and you have the experience to back it up, good things happen. All leaves are just jQuery on steroids. Yeah, I don't know about that. I feel like nowadays all leaves are like pure JavaScript because it has gotten a lot better with time. And you can do a lot more with just JavaScript than using JavaScript libraries. Thirsty Pooch, how you doing, man? Yeah, Laravel Night and Game Night, if you want to stick around. I'm gonna play Elden Ring, Night Rain. I'm gonna see how terrible I have become after not playing that for like months. I played one game before the stream. I did quite well. Didn't terribly suck. Probably because I was carried, but we'll see how it goes. It's gonna be interesting. But yeah, Voidware, the idea is not to get pessimistic about the things that are happening. The best approach is to see what's happening and see how you can use it to your advantage. That's a better approach, I believe. If I can type. Oh well, had the fingers in the wrong place. No wonder. So we have vehicles. We're going to work on this. Quick question. I don't fancy quite much Livewire, mostly because I heard there isn't much of a community in it. Then I've always known Vue, I don't know what that word, better with Laravel. And from your point of view, what you think of React and Laravel? Look, there is no one better than the other. It is all about what you feel comfortable using. If you find React and Laravel to be better for your code, for your style of coding and for your productivity, if that's what helps you be better and do better things, then that is the option. You don't have to use Livewire. You don't have to use Vue. If you want to go with React and Laravel, perfect. Go with React and Laravel. That is just the tool that you need to use to get the things that you are asked, that you are required. So it's not, Livewire is not the best. Livewire is not better than Vue, and therefore Vue is not better than React, and Vue and React is not better than Livewire. It all depends on you and your expertise. Vue landed me my first job. Yeah. And there is no reason also to not to branch out and learn other things. Like if you start with Vue but you want to learn about React, fine, go and learn about React. If it's not required on your job and it's not going to hinder your performance or whatever your job is, then take time and learn something new. Learn Lua, learn something. It's all about learning new stuff every day. Try to improve what you already know and also learn new things, because that way you don't get behind. But yeah, doctors, lawyers, every single field, you need to keep learning. Learning never stops. I also started using Vue.js after jQuery for a long time. And I loved it. I loved one of the biggest projects that I made for my company is just Laravel with Vue.js, not even inertia. It's just like an API conversation. The code is ass right now, but it was good at the time. I love PHP and Laravel, but I had to pivot to Next.js just because people don't want PHP no more. That's not true. At least I don't see that much job to apply remotely. I don't know about that, to be honest. But the fact that people don't want PHP is just like a small bubble. It does have a bad rap, but just because people don't know what it can do, they only have the reference of PHP from 10, 15, 20 years ago. And they didn't care about staying up to date with what PHP can do nowadays, or Laravel by that extent. I don't know about the market right now. I'm fortunate enough not to have to worry about that for the moment, but I'm pretty sure, God forbid I actually have to look for a job, I'm pretty sure that there has to be jobs out there for PHP. .NET? Ugh. God, no. There's always going to be demand for the thing that you know. It's just about knowing where to look, I think. Do you think it's best to rely solely on Laravel's routing instead of Nuxt? I don't know about Nuxt though. That's the thing. I know it's like a framework for React, if I'm not mistaken. So I can't tell you what is best, but it all depends on what the project needs. And it's a framework for Vue. Oh, for Vue, not React. Look, it always depends. It's not one side of the other. You cannot shoehorn something into a project if the project does not need it. If you think you can get away, if you have the requirements for the project, if you have the idea of what you want to do, and Nuxt.js fits that requirement, then use Nuxt.js. Try to use it and figure out if Nuxt.js is good for the project, but fail early. Try it early and see if it works. If it doesn't, try something else. Go with Laravel routing. See if that fits better. It's better to try and fail than not try at all. No import hell, it has auto imports, no route. File, just create a folder and it automatically turns it into a route. That sounds nice. Looking for a stack for my portfolio actually. Since I am familiar with TypeScript and Laravel, so I don't want to go all in with Blade. Yeah, if you are familiar and you are comfortable with TypeScript and Vue.js or React, then do that. If you're just looking for things to add to your portfolio, then focus on that for a while. Try to create things with that technology stack. And once you feel you have enough, then try learning Laravel and just go with Blade and create something small with that. The more, the better. Laravel for API, Nuxt for UI, PostgreSQL, plus Redis. That's awesome. You can get away with that perfectly fine. Yeah, I don't see no issues with that. If that's your stack and you can stick with your stack and be proficient with it, that's fine. At the end of the day, whoever hires you doesn't really care about if you're working on something new, then as long as you get the job done, doesn't really matter what stack you use. If you are looking for a job, then you probably are going to veer towards your technology stack. And that's fine too. See if you can find something that fits you, or if there is something that in the job market that doesn't really fit your stack, then take some time, learn it, and then apply for that job. And then learn on the job as well. Experience comes from the job. If you don't have experience on something, then give yourself a project. Work on something. Get frustrated, fail over and over again for a while, and then you get good. You have time. You have time. You have time to fail. So fail a lot, often, and learn from it. No, at the moment we have a very small team, but we don't have any openings. Yeah. The last opening that we had was filled like a year ago, and we are not hiring at the moment. All right, let's see. Let's get to work. Vehicles. We have the create view. Let me switch this to mobile. So yeah, this works. This form works. We used it to create a new vehicle in the database. But at the moment, even though there is validation on the backend, if I click that, and what is this? Oh, there are some fields that don't even have validation and are required. That's nice. Which one? Vehicle year. Okay. Why is year nullable? No, no. No, no, no. Year is required. Probably don't want a default value there. Yeah, I don't want a default value on any of those. And then rules. Year, none of this is nullable. Make model, none of that is nullable, is required. Fuel units and distance units, yep, that's also required. And the set vehicle does need that. Yeah, remove those. What else? And that's it. Nickname is optional, so that'll be fine. Actually, I'd rather use null instead. That looks good. All right, let me try this. So if we click this, oh, I guess the messages were there. I didn't notice. That's interesting. Oh, I know why. I know why it didn't show last time. Because we had an error in the import of the form class pointing to a wrong namespace. And that's because that's why none of the error labels were showing up. I should have known. I mean, this is Flux UI. Flux UI has labels by default. I think we're good then. Make is required. Model is required. Year is required. Nickname is optional. Initial odometer reading is required. Fuel units. I'm not sure about the label of this. So if the distance units are miles, shouldn't the fuel units be either gallons or liters? I think so. I think the label should say either gallons or liters. The value underneath is what's going to be mpg miles per gallon or liters per 100 kilometers. I think it'll be a little bit more clear. Not miles, gallons. There. Liters. Yeah. I like that better. Why is the check not working all of a sudden? I hate this. I'm tempted to do the value as gallons and liters as well. What are we going to use this for? I'm even tempted to remove the field altogether though. If we select a distance unit of miles, that automatically makes the fuel units miles per gallon, and that's not even going to be used anywhere, just for calculating the efficiency based on the distance units. I can base the calculation of the efficiency based on only the distance units. If you have miles, then it's miles per gallon. If you have kilometers, that is liters per 100 kilometers. So I don't think this field is needed. Yeah, we don't need this. Let's make the form a little bit more lean. I'm gonna remove this altogether. No, leave that. And let's go to the table actually. Vehicle stable. Yeah, remove fuel units. Let's go to the vehicle model. Remove that. And finally go to the vehicle form. Remove this. And remove this. Looking for miles or km. That's fine. Let's go to the form and yeah, that value is km. We don't need a check, I guess, if we are going to give this a default value up here. Yeah, we don't need fuel units anymore. Distance units, we can assign miles by default. Whoa. Okay. Didn't I remove this already? Anyway. Now it's checked by default on miles. Good. Smaller form, easier to fill up, and the user doesn't have to worry about, oh, is it miles per gallons or kilometers? No combinations. Either your vehicle has miles or kilometers. That's it. I need to run the migrations again. Validation still works. See if we can create a new one. Before that, I'm going to open Tinkerwell. If we run it now, we don't have any data. And if we fill it up, Create vehicle. Cannot assign null to property. Really? And why is it marking it there? Oh, I know. I know. Just have to make nickname optional. Now it's complaining about the make. Year, really? Huh. Why is it complaining about this all of a sudden? I don't like doing that. Or that, but that matter, but let's see. No, I don't like that. Why is it asking for a value all of a sudden? Could do this. All right, that's fine. I can make the properties nullable because apparently Livewire requires me so when doing the reset, just so that every attribute has a value or can be null. And validation will take care of making sure that the values are there. Now, if we check Tinkerwell, it did create all of them. What? Oh yeah, they were created. It was just failing on the reset, so that's fine. Okay. That's cool. At least we have 4 entries for the list now. They're all the same, but still. That should work. Okay, so I think we are done with vehicle creation. So functional requirement 2.1 should be done. Except we didn't need distance units. Wait, we didn't need fuel units, only distance. Let's remove that. I should move this document somewhere else. In fact, I think I did. If I remember correctly. Yeah, I think I put it on Obsidian. Because I can make edits here, but as soon as I leave the page, the edits are gone. So I'd rather just do it in my own notes. Yeah, here they are. Okay. All right. We're going to keep referring to this document instead. All right. Let's work on this. Users must be able to view a list of registered vehicles. I'm going to look through the Flux UI docs and see what components can we use to create a nice looking card for each vehicle. That'll look better on mobile. Yeah, I think a small card like this one would be fine. Yeah. Now, what information are we going to put in there? Probably just the vehicle make, model, the year, like make, model at top, the year smaller at the bottom, and what else? Maybe the nickname in parentheses next to the make and model. and probably the odometer reading. The odometer reading with the distance units next to it, like in a batch. Yeah, I like that. All right. Small break. Now here's the thing though. This is a paid component. So I need to bring in Flux, the complete library, because right now we only have a few components which are free on our starter kit. So we need to take care of that. All right, ads are over. Before we move on, I want to use this card component. It is a paid component, so I need to install the whole thing, the whole shebang. Is this one already here? Library Flux? Let me check. Don't really know. Yeah, that one is there. So I just need to install the Pro license. Let's do this. Wait, before I do that. Now that the vehicle management is done, at least for the add part, let's just save that branch and create a new one. Okay. Now we can do this. PHP artisan. Email associated with... What was the email? Hold on. Let me do this privately. And now I need the license key. One moment. Oh, no, 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 no. Not that. Here. Okay, that should be done. And now I just have to do composer require Livewire Flux Pro. What? What? One moment. Oh, wrong email. Okay. 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 Forgot that I used my other email for this. All right, that worked. And now you can see. Awesome. Now that I have this, we can start working on the list of vehicles. Let me see how we're gonna do this. First, let's go to the component, the vehicles component. We are going to need a list of vehicles. So public, not mount. Collection of vehicles. Yeah, now we need a mount. Set the vehicles to vehicle all, vehicles all, and we render. Now let's, what do you want? Oh, you're going to, this is not needed here. Why are you here? Oh, you need the, okay, yeah. Add models vehicle and the collection, of course. Although, is it a support collection or? Yes, I don't really need to give it a type. It's just vehicles, like that. Okay, now to the list. Let's do a for each. Vehicles as vehicle. And let's copy some of the code. Oop. Good thing this is hidden. Docs. Let's go to the card and let's copy one of the examples. This one is fine. Oh my goodness. My goodness. Let's copy this and then modify it to our needs. Let's do an N for each, by the way. Do you guys hear that cracking? Is it coming through the mic? I don't know why my AC every few minutes does like this, like loud crack. That cheap plastic, I don't know, maybe. Sorry, tangent. Okay, so we have this. Let's replace the heading with the nickname, but I was looking for the make and model first, like that. Then next to it, the nickname. Oh, right. If it's this can be null. I hate it when you do things that I didn't ask for, but fine, I'll leave it there for now. So if we have a nickname, then do these in parentheses and do the nickname. Otherwise, just make a model. And it's doing the year in a batch. I'm not mad about that. Okay. And then another batch for the initial odometer and distance units. Did you hear me speak, you piece of... Are you in my head? Are you listening? That's freaky. That's freaky. That freaks me out sometimes. I said that I wanted to do that not too long ago, and it did exactly the same thing. Scary. Okay, let's see how that looks. Did you not do the end if? What? Do you not like this inline? Okay, I will not do that then. Apparently you can't do this in the same line for some reason. Yeah, that's what I was going for. Thank you. I would rather... No, never mind. Just do it like that. That's fine. See, I don't... How? How? I said I'm going in my head. Is it this? Are you reading my mind? I said in my mind, I'm going to add parentheses as a conditional if the nickname is present. I'm telling you, man, this is scary. Scary shit. Scary shit. What did I... Okay. Anyway, what is going on? What if are you expecting? What? What are you... What? Okay, come on. Allow me to do something. Because this is weird. Okay. That is fine. So, what if I just do the heading? Oh, the text is not being closed off, is it? Headings are fine. Text is fine, but why is their styling so ugly? Yeah, that's exactly what I needed. Thank you. Except move the for each inside. like that. But the styling, why? Do I have to restart the Beat server for some reason? Do I? Because I'll do it. Yeah, I had to restart npm. I had to restart the Vite server. I almost like it, except that these two, I don't like them in the same line. And I don't want this as a badge. Yeah. You're doing it again. Why? Oh, you changed it. Oh my God, look at this. When did I see? These are the times when I say, cursor, you're stupid. I didn't ask you to change this. Only the first one. Change it as a span. I like it when it does the thing that I'm thinking. I hate it when it tries to do the things that I don't, when it tries to overreach. Of course, no way to know, right? It's not a mind teller. It's not a mind reader. How does that look? Ugh, no, no thank you. Remove this. No background. Wait. Maybe 400. And why are you not obeying this? That's better. Now, I need this to be flex. So the span and the batch are in different lines. And items start. Better. Hmm. This is too close to the title. And this is not indented the right way. That's better. Wait, why are you all the way there? Thank you. No, no, who asked for that? Dude. And let's do margin top 4 should be enough. Yeah. As lists go, that is not bad. Or a start. I guess next thing we should try and do is edit, maybe? Thinking if I want to have like a drop-down menu on the corner so that we can have edit and delete. Right now, if you click anywhere on this card, you should be able to go and edit the card. I'm thinking about the edit though, the delete. I think the way that I want to handle it is there won't be a delete button here in the card. If you click anywhere on it, you go to the edit page. On the edit page, there will be a delete button, and that delete button will prompt for confirmation because deleting a vehicle means also deleting all of the fuel entries. Let's do that. So let's remove that icon. All right, as far as vehicle list goes, I think that it's a good enough start. We can kind of leave it like that and just mark that requirement off the table for now, unless we want to go back to it and maybe refactor it a little bit, but we have a list of vehicles. Good enough. We're not going to worry on in any of the details. There's the list, you have the information, moving on. All right, I'm going to take a quick break myself. I'm gonna go grab some water and use the bathroom. I will be right back. Okay, here we go. All right. Okay, so now, okay, so add Livewire Flux Pro and vehicle listing in the vehicles component. Vehicle listing is fine. Good. And publish that. Good. All right. Next, we're going to do the editing of the vehicle. Some of the code is already being done. There are some things that we need. Let's start with a new component. So right now we have, not here, app, livewire, we have the create vehicle. We're going to create another one that is edit vehicle. There is going to be some code duplication on the template because we're pretty much going to use the same form. Later on, we're going to refactor that and try to use like a small blade view to create a partial so that we can reuse the form in both the edit and the create components. For now, we're just going to go with duplication and make sure that everything works before refactoring anything. Good. Now, let's start with the component itself. Edit vehicle. We are going to need the form. And we are going to need, we're going to need a mount, except the method is not form field, is actually set vehicle. Thank you. And we also need that. We need, why are you complaining about this? Set vehicle takes in, what does it take? Takes a vehicle model, yeah. Oh, you haven't added the import like that. All right, cool. We need the update method. That's fine. See, that I like. That is cool. That is fine. Thank you, cursor. Why are you sending me to the vehicle's blade? Look at that. What do you want me there? What do you want to do over there? Let's go and see. So it's guiding me to the vehicles, to the listing. Let's see if it's actually trying to add the route. Not yet. But I do want the route. But I don't have a route. So let's create a route. That route is fine. I need the edit vehicle component imported here. Thank you. Okay, now we can go to the vehicles list and have the route here. pass the vehicle into the route, which will pass it into the library component. Now, the edit vehicle template. See, it is already trying to do what I wanted to do in the future, which is that. Include a livewire form, a vehicle form. So what are you working with? Hello, how you doing? DJ Mailboy. I'm working on it's just a small project, like a learning project. It's basically a gas mileage tracking app made with Laravel and Livewire. The idea is that later on, when we have a basic prototype created, we are going to try and create a native app for Android using native PHP and try and implement some native functionality into the app once we have something working. So yeah. So see, it's trying to do what I want to do later. I'm going to we're going to do this we're going to do this after the form is working. But that is basically what I want to do later. Create a blade template that will serve as a partial view to be included in both the edit and the update. For now, I'm just going to head over to the create vehicle view, and I'm just going to grab all of the fields as they are. And I need the form as well. Forget about the form. What else do I need? Yes, a div. This too, and the form. Edit, wire submit update, and this I don't need. This is the closing form. That's fine, I guess. Let me see how it's done in the create one. Yep. That looks fine. Okay. Let me review. Now, in this case, I do need to set the values for each. Well, not really. I don't need to set the value, because as soon as I mount this component, the form, make, form model, all of the wire model attributes are going to have a value based on the model class that is being passed into the component. So that should work. I guess if we get this working right now, we can do the refactoring. The refactoring should be pretty easy since we're using Flux UI. Now the update. Let's go and check. I think that method is already there, right? Edit, update, form update, then redirect. Okay. Let's see it in action. Maybe this is working already. So we have the list. If we click on one item, yeah, easy. We go to the edit vehicle form. We can change whatever we want. For example, let's say that the year is wrong. The odometer is wrong. And I want to rename this to my old car. If we click update vehicle, and the thing is updated. Super easy, barely an inconvenience. Yeah, I guess we have time to do the refactoring, since the edit was so simple. Oh, but we still need one thing. Okay. We need the delete button. That is going to be a little bit more involved. So let's start working on refactoring the form first. So, I'm going to create in resources, views, partials, or Livewire. Let's create it here. Let's create a new view. Like this. PHP artisan make view Livewire vehicles form. Right? Now, let's go to the either or. Let's go to the create template and grab everything that is inside the form. We're going to need something here. You'll see what I mean. Well, no, not really. So let's grab all of this. I'm going to just delete that from here. And it's doing exactly what I want. I'm going to add an include Livewire vehicle form. Except I called it vehicles form. I'm going to rename that. Vehicle form is better. Okay, now in here, I'm going to, just paste all of that. No. I said paste. That's better. Thing is, do I need a root element on this blade partial? I am going to try without one. See if it works. So let's go to the create vehicle form and see if it's still working. It is. Perfect. So we don't need a root element when we are including a template using Blade. Does it still work? Make, I don't know, Yeah, it's working fine. All right. Now what about the edit? Let's go to the edit vehicle template. And let's delete all of the fields. And include the vehicle form again. Technically speaking, everything should work as is. So if we click on this one, everything is working fine. Let's change some information here. Let's change the odometer, nickname, the year, and that's it. Update vehicle. Perfect. Awesome. That was easier than I thought. So now we don't have any duplication. We have a partial form that we can use in edit and update. And both edit and update are working as expected. They also have validation. Everything is good. So technically we are done with the list of vehicles, and also we're done with being able to edit the details of existing vehicles. So functional requirements 2.2 and 2.3 are done. Now we must be able to delete a vehicle with a confirmation prompting and warning that this will also delete associated fuel entries. And I think we have about 25 minutes. I think we can get a pretty good headway into that. We're going to need a confirmation dialog. I think Flux UI already comes with one. Let's see. I think it's a model. Here, prompt a user for confirmation before performing a dangerous action. That is exactly what we need. Okay. I am going to take the model code from here, copy that, and then come here and let's create a new branch. We're done with the vehicle list, and actually we did a lot more than just the list. We did the list and the edit. Kind of got carried away on that one, but that's fine. That's fine. Let's save what we have. Edit route, edit form, actually. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's make a new branch, call it delete vehicles. Ooh, if I can type. So the delete, as I mentioned before, is going to happen in the edit form. So I'm going to put the model down here. That's not what I wanted. So that's the model. Need to indent this better. There, okay. Instead of profile, delete vehicle, like it. Thank you for reading my mind. And delete vehicle, yes. You're about to delete this vehicle. This action cannot be... let's add another paragraph here. All the data associated, that's not very clear. This will delete all fuel entries. Thank you. Associated with this vehicle. This action cannot be reversed. That's a clear warning. And this is delete vehicle. And yeah, I want to associate this with a wire click delete. Now we need a trigger, and the documentation has a trigger button, so I'm going to grab that, copy it, and put it right next to the update vehicle button. Like that. And yeah, that's right. Is giving a margin top 6. I guess that's correct because this is a flex call, so it's going to be right below it. Let's see how it looks. Let's go check it out. Check it out. What happened to the form? Why are you like this? Why? Why are you like this? At which point did this decided that the import was not necessary? I don't know. Yeah, why did you delete that? Okay, better. So you have the update and you have the delete. When you click delete, you should have a confirmation. Does that look okay? Text is... I don't like the text on that one. How about we do this? A little better. All right, that's fine. And then you click delete vehicle, and that will call the delete method on the component, which doesn't exist yet. Cancel, we'll just close it. Nice. Although, I want to have a bit more separation between the update and delete. Just in case, you know, fat thumbing the button by accident. So we're gonna take a break before we do that. If we get that delete thing working today, that'll be pretty much the cutoff for today. I think we managed to get a lot done. Hoping that nothing goes wrong. Fingers crossed. Okay. All right. All right. That's over. Here we go. So we are going to now work on the delete method of the component. Everything on the UI side. Oh, yeah. I wanted a little bit more separation on those two buttons, just in case. So instead of 6, let's give it a margin top of 8. That didn't work. How come? Oh, because of the gap. Okay. Can I override a gap? Can I override a gap? Yeah, this is doing it. Maybe it's just because of this. The margin top does not go in the trigger. Should be in the button. Like that. Better. Yeah, I like that separation. It avoids any accidental clicks on the delete button being too close to the update. And still working. Great. All right, let's work on the delete method on the edit vehicle component. Should be pretty simple. Edit vehicle, edit delete method. We need a form delete method as well. Gets us back to the vehicle's index. Let's go to the vehicle form class. Let's add one method here for delete. Just takes the vehicle and does a delete, calls delete on the vehicle model. Resets the form and bada bing bada boom. Is it delete or destroy? No, it's delete. Let's try it like that. Okay. So that should be all, technically. So if I want to take this vehicle, delete it, we're not doing the fuel entries just yet. Although I think I remember setting a constraint on the table, but since we don't have any fuel entries just yet, we're not going to do that part. We're just going to delete the vehicle and the vehicle is gone. Sweet. Let me check that migration, by the way. Vehicles table. It's not here. It's actually in the fuel entries table. It's constrained, but it's not. It doesn't have a cascade on delete. We could try and add that, or just handle it ourselves in the deleting event of the vehicle, which should be pretty simple. In fact, I'm going to scaffold it now and then get back to it when we have fuel entries, and then testing that whenever we're testing deleting a vehicle with fuel entries. All we have to do is pretty much go to the vehicle model, and we're going to need a, is it a protected? I think it's protected. Function booted? No. See, the AI doesn't know about the naming convention change in a recent version of Laravel. So what I'm going to do is not accept that. And I believe I already have something similar in the fuel entry model. See, protected static booted. Can you stop trying to suggest things? Thank you. I'm gonna copy this entire thing, take it over to the vehicle, paste it, and instead of creating, look at that. I think that's pretty much okay. Yeah, that is pretty much good code. I don't have any complaints. When it's deleting, not deleted, but deleting, that is before deleting the record, then take the vehicle, reach for the fuel entries, and just delete them all. I think that works. I'm gonna double check before making sure. I mean, always double check what the AI code does. So always verify. So I'm gonna just double check that in the documentation to make sure. Okay, detached, but this is many-to-many relationship. So this is not what I need. I need a has many. And there's nothing about that here. I guess it works because we have a delete method on a query builder. When reaching for a relationship with parentheses, it will actually create or use a query builder on that relationship. So the delete method works. Okay, we're good. Okay, I think we did more than I expected. We have the restriction cover, where this, when deleting a vehicle, this should also delete the associated field entries. Taken care of. Don't have to worry about that. We are able to delete vehicles with a prompt or a confirmation. And everything works fine. I think we're good. Awesome. Let me just publish that code and we can end the coding section here. Yeah, that looks good. And come in. Published. All right. On Monday, we can continue. I think we have the vehicle management covered on a very basic level. I'm going to take a look at it during the weekend and see if there is anything that we can improve on that visually or in code. But I think it looks good. Moving on, we can start working on the field entry logging on Monday. That's gonna be fun. Yeah, because we have to do fuel efficiency calculations based on the odometer and the amount of fuel that we put in. Also, in the future, whenever everything is working, once we have everything working and we move on to the mobile app phase, I have an idea of a nice feature, which would be taking a picture of a receipt of a fuel of a gas fill up and have AI extract the information out of the receipt and fill the form for us. I already did a small test using Gemini, using the Gemini API, using a test picture, and it was able to extract pretty much the basic information that we need for a fill up. So that's going to be maybe a nice feature that we can add using mobile app functionality like the camera, and using the camera to take those pictures. So yeah, that's going to be fun. That's going to be in the future. We just have to make sure that everything else works first, and we can take this project and then compile it into a mobile app, which will have its own challenges, but we'll get to that later. All right. We're going to end the programming section here. If you want to stick around for the gaming part, don't go away. We are going to play Elden Ring Night Rain. Let me set things up first. First of all, I'm going to do this. I'm going to take us over to the Windows machine. And then do this. Change my monitor too. I don't know if this is going to work. I was playing it earlier and my machine was handling it pretty well, but I'm curious to see if the game and OBS can coexist together. And then take Q. And why is it not showing up? Oh, it hasn't started yet. 1 sec. Okay. Night Rain. Here we go. How's the sound? I hope it's not too loud. By the way, I love Elden Ring. Played the first game. The only game. Played pretty much, completed the game, the base game, and almost all of the DLC. I think that's a little loud. Hold on. Can I take the music down, please? Why is my controller not working? Why? Because I have to put it here. I'm gonna take the music down a little bit as soon as I can. Yeah. That'll be fine. Maybe this all the way down to 5. I think that's good. So yeah, I played the base game, completed the base game, played the DLC, almost completed it, rage quitted on the last boss fight. Not gonna spoil it, but holy shit, that was not fun. So yeah, that's the only thing I didn't complete. And now this. Now, like I said before, I've only played this once today. I like the big boy with the big guns, because that was my build when I played the game, and I really like the style. So I'm gonna be the tank. The previous game we did, like I said, we did pretty well. Managed to get to the final boss of the expedition, and we got our asses handed to us, as it is expected. But at least I know what the fight is about. I think I got everything I needed from the store. I got a few relics. Have this one attached, which is I will start with fire pots in possession at the start of the expedition. So I'll have some fire pots on me. And yeah, let's go and take another run. See how it goes. So yeah, it's a 3-headed dog, and it's such a bitch. Like, it moves so freaking much. I said commence. Can you do commence? Oh, it's matchmaking. Okay. 2 out of 3. Come on, come on, come on. Hopefully I'll get good partners. I have yet to kill the boss. Yeah, that dog is just so annoying. Especially for me, because I'm kind of a slow build, like hitting it's kind of slow. Just reaching the goddamn thing takes a lot. Oh, 1 of 3? Come on! I want to play. I purchased the game when it came out and played it maybe an hour and never touched it again. Well, it's not for everyone. I kind of like the sorry. I like the hard but fair games. Elden Ring. Oh, wait. I need to choose this one. Ready. I need to... I didn't like the first From Software games. They were a little too hard for me. Elden Ring struck the perfect balance. And I loved it. Yeah, it does take a little grinding. Well... Yeah, I'm not gonna try and convince you that the game's good. I liked it. I really enjoyed it. So, but I can totally agree. It's not a game for everyone. I hope the quality of the stream stays good. If it's not, let me know. This is the first time I'm playing a demanding game on the same machine. Here we go, baby! Seattle, day 1. Whee! Poof. Frame rate is kind of choppy. Hope it gets better. Alright, can I level up a little bit? Nope, that's fine. Where do we go from here? There's a red thing. Oh, already a blue mark. And they're gone. No fall damage, which is good. I need to kill something, come on. Where are the ads? Here we go. Oh, stupid dog. I hate dogs. Not real dogs. These dogs. See what I mean? This is like a very slow build, but it hits like a truck, which I like. Yeah, let's find out. Anything here? Fire grease, mine. What is this volcano pot? No, I'm good. I'm gonna kill these 2 guys over here. Boink. And boink, and boink. Ow! Got a little too excited over there. Stupid thing. Let me heal real quick. Okay. I really need to level up now because I have very little health. Where's the other guy? Is he fighting down there? I kind of lost him. Where are we going? there's the... Oh, it was down here somewhere? There was a hole. I don't know where that is. Well, I guess I missed it. Whoops. Nice, nice, nice. Keep losing track of my partners. Especially the witch. She's like on her own. Oh, up here, up here, up here, up here. Hello. Uyakata. Ha ha ha. Knocked down, it's knocked down, it's knocked down. Shit! God damn it. Okay. That was close. What do we got? What do we got? We have an axe and a grand horn. I like this one. Mine. And we're gonna replace... Ow! Rude. That was pretty fucking rude. Nice. Love me. No, you won't. Anything good? Another fire pod. Nice, nice, nice. And we have some things over here, some goodies. Lighting grease. Another fire pod. Can't say no to that. All right. Guess I should, yeah, I'm gonna use this two-handed until I find another shit. God damn it. Fine, I'll go back. Until I find another. Oh my god! It's a little hard to control. Where's everybody? Okay. Since I don't know the locations, I just stick around and stay close to my teammates. Wherever they go, I go. Oh, I remember there's a really... Oh, troll. Okay, I guess enemies do change locations. There was a really nasty guard last time over here. And he really had his way with me. Whoa, shit! Okay, sorry, I can't pause. Missed it. Nice. Gotta be careful with that troll over there, throwing pots. Oh, more people joining the party. Oop! No, you won't. Kill him, kill him, kill him! That's right. That's right. Oh shit! What the fuck was that? Oh my god! Seriously? And I have nobody close to me. They're over there, just fighting. Overconfidence. Overconfidence. Gosh darn it. That, and I wasn't paying attention that there was nobody around me. Can I get my stuff back? Maybe? Oh, you got it? Fine. I'll just kick you in the ass. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm out. I'm out. I'm gonna go help out over here. Can I get in there? How do I get in there? I have to go around here then? Maybe? Maybe? Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Stop! 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 How do I get up there? Oh my god! There! Oh shit! God damn it! I'm out! I'm out! Shit! Help! Where is everybody? Oh, over there. Damn. I'm not doing good. Not doing great. Not gonna lie. If I knew a way to get up there, I would help. Hey, what's this? Fire grease and a shitty hammer. Fine. I guess they took care of that. No, not thanks to me. Yeah, I wish I could help, but I can't. I don't know how to get up there. This way, maybe? Okay. He fell down. I'm gonna go where he is. Okay, sure. Jesus Christ. That was awful. Can I hit this little crap? Thank you. Oh, the troll is throwing things up there. Alright, guide me. Take me to him. What is that? Huh. Up the wall we go, up the wall we go. Hey. Oh, god damn it! So, what happened to you? Ah, shit, shit, no, no. Heal, 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 heal. Ah, shit. Come on, come on, come on. No, you won't. Squiggly little things. Hoppa. I'll be right there, just taking care of this guy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ow, shit. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ugh. No, leave me alone, leave me alone. I'm gonna punch you in the face. Good. I guess that was day one. Oh shit, no, never mind. Gotta heal first. I need to level up. I have like 0. What the crap? What are you pointing at? God, just die. I have 0 endurance. I have no... I get tired so easily and I have no health. That's awesome. That's just awesome. I'm useless. Gotta be so careful. Yeah, I'm gonna try and focus on the little one without getting hit from the big guy. Okay, almost dead. I'm like, you breathe on me and I'm done. Oh shit. Let me get you up first. He's right behind me, isn't he? See, I don't get tired so easily. Yeah. I didn't find a bonfire to level up, and I kept dying, by the way. So that's a big problem. And she did. Okay, this went about as I expected. First game was a fluke. This is pretty much what I was expecting. What did we get anyway? Okay. Improved rod resistance, not really. Intelligence, don't need that. And mark. Okay. I guess I can sell those two. They don't really fit my type. Helpful hints. Sure, I don't care. I'm just gonna go again. We go again. If we die, we go again. I'll do better this time. I guess we have two big guys on the team. Gotta make sure to find bonfires and keep an eye on my health. I got too cocky. And when you start at level 1, you basically have no health. Great. What? All the way? Wow. Sure. Kicked me out completely. Let's try that again. All right, here we go. Yeah, can we skip this? Thank you. Let's go here. Let's kill a few ants first. Is that enough to level up, maybe? Yep, level 2. Alright, they don't seem interested in my thingy, so can I remove it? Guess not. Never mind. Alright, take it nice and slow this time. Oh, dogs. Oh, I need that. Yes. Oh, wrong button. Shit. Alright, we gotta move. So I suggest Nothing. I will just follow. Alright, there's a marker. Follow the marker. Where is that? Sure. Maybe I have enough for another level? Maybe? Yes. How much do I need for level 4? 12,000... 12,300. Where is everyone? Am I alone? They are still down there. They killed something. Guess I wasn't invited. Yep. Anyway. I'll get the next one. One thing that's keeping me behind is the fact that I don't really know the locations. So I don't really know where the enemies are. I have enough for another level. Here we go. Nice, nice, nice. How can I use... I don't know how to use the pots. Ow, shit. Done? Okay. How do I use the pots? I thought it was with Y, but Y didn't do anything. Have to check later. Raises physical attack. Perfect. Is that a bonfire? I need that. One sec. I'll catch up, but I need to level up. Perfect. I need 21,000, 22,000 basically for the next level. Come on, up we go. I said up we go. Whee! No, 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 no. They're up here? Okay. I'm here, I'm here. I made it. Doesn't look like the frame rate is bad for the stream. Mine is a little choppy, but it's not unplayable. So I'm good. I'm good. Whee! Boink. We could go there. Let's see where are they going? Where's the circle going? Bunch of stuff. Another fire pot. If I knew how to use them, that'd be great. Is it like this? Ah, okay. Yeah. Got it. Let me get another one. Did I lost it? Never mind. Oh, there? Okay. We're doing this. We're doing this. We're doing this. Call him up. No, sir. I remember how to dodge. Maybe. Let me punch you in the face. And allow me to do this. Bonk. Wait, did I cover? Oh. Gotta remember not to do that. Ah, shit. I didn't know I was able to cover the guy. There. What did we get? Successive attacks restore FP or Rune is... I guess this is better. Level up. Cool. Ring is closing in. It's gonna go in that direction. Because that marks the center. Oh, we have golems. Yep, that's an arrow. All right. Oh my god, it's so slow. Such a slow animation. We gotta go. Rain is coming. This is where shit hits the fan. Oh fuck. Boink. Oh, you piece of shit. Yes, you got it. Okay. Gotta measure those jump attacks better. By the way, I should be holding this with both hands. Alright, big guy incoming. Bell-bearing hunter. Hello. Shit. 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 And shit. Boink. Let me punch you. There you go. Calling this. Buff everyone. Ah, missed. Missed again. Here, take that. Hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him! Ouch! Sir? Sir! And bonk. No, you won't. No, you won't. Yes! Alright, that was better. Doing good. Criticals, restorative speed, successive attacks, that's better. Yes, 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 yes. And level up. I need 32,000 for the next level. And we're heading on to day 2. I'm sorry, but I can't pause for the ads. It's a multiplayer game. Alright, where do we go? Where do we go? There? Cool. Shit. Should we kill this guy? I mean, he's not hard. You just have to be careful. Well. That was too far away. Too far away. Can you get him? Thank you. Oh shit, no! That was stupid. Oh fuck. No, don't look at me. Don't look at me. Oh fuck, 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 fuck. Yeesh. Oh, come on! You gotta do that. Thank you. No, you won't. Move. Ah! I knew it was coming. Couldn't dodge on time. Thank you. Let's heal a little bit. Thank you much. Thank you very much. Let's see if I can punch you in the face. Oof, 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 oof. Yeah, he's on me. Just get him up, get him up, get him up, get him up. Got him. Nice. Ooh, what do we get? Nothing for me. Plus slowly restore HP. I guess fine. No, that's not good. Oh. Let me level up real quick. 37,000 for next level. Where to next? I guess this? Yay! Yeah! Oh, what it? No, 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 no. Bring it. Them. Get. Alright, I guess we're going this way. Oh, is this a shop? What is this? Another chart. Oh, nice. What is this? How does this look in the map? I need to know. It's a church. Okay. That's useful. Very useful. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Damn it. I wanted to do this. Two-handed. Two-handed weapon. Oh, what is... Oh my god, what? No, no, no! Poison! Poison! There is a plant somewhere. Oh, there it is. They don't care. And I'm stuck. Awesome. Oh, fuck, 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 fuck. Falling behind. Leave me alone, leave me alone, leave me alone. Oh, so many of this. Where are they? Oh, they're here. Guess they couldn't go up that way. Okay, here it is. Good, okay. Wee-hoo! Woo! Oh, nice, another charge. Yes, 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 yes. Me likes. I have enough for another level. $43,300 for next level. Guess we're waiting for the D44. Where is he? Oh, he's here. Okay. What is that? FB, I guess. Okay. That was easy. Okay, a tower. Starlight shards. Restores FP. I'm not really an FP kind of guy. Oh. Oh, okay. It's closed. Ooh, rain's coming. Really? But I don't want to. No. 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 What are we fighting? A dragon? Please tell me we're not fighting a dragon. Ah, shit, 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 shit. That hurt. A lot. No, don't. How do I... Okay, that way, that way. What? Oh my god. Oh my god. I'll take the small guy. Oh shit. Oh no. No, no, no. No. Get away. Get away from me. Let me just put this here. No! Oh my god. Off. No. Nah. Let me just heal for a moment. Just no shit. I'm scared. I'm freaking scared. No way. I remember how to fight these guys, but it's so fucking chaotic. Oh, he calls for backup? No way. Nice, 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 nice. That was good. I'm tired. I got him. I guess he's stuck? Okay. Cheese. Ah, fuck. Hit him, hit him. Almost there, almost there, almost there, almost there. Endure. Ooh, that was fucking close. Punch you in the face. That was great. Ooh. Raises attack of magic, fire, lightning. No. It raises potency. Nope. Maximum HP raised. Yes. And now we move on to the final battle. This will not go well. Level 11. And is there something I can buy? We'll get one of these. And then we can come over here and strengthen our weapon. Nice. And we move on. Okay. Gotta lock in. Damn! Look at them logs. I go first. Follow me, brothers. This motherfucker. Quite the reach. That's it. Focus on him. Focus on him. Shit. Ooh. Such a big wind-up. See, it moves so freaking much. I can't even... Got it, got it, got it. Missed it. Come on, do your thing. Ooh. Nice. Staggered, staggered, hit him. Oh shit. What? Shut up. Alright. I'll take this one, I guess. Ah, mother. I didn't see the attack. Yep. Fuck me. Oh god. They're all eyes on me. Shit. See that red dot over there? They're looking at me. I'm okay. I'm just gonna chill here. No need to worry. Maybe a little. Hey, buddy. Thank you. Hold on. Let me get you up. Shit. Up you go. Shit! Damn it. Hey, I did my best. Yeah, I know. We did better this time. Last time I didn't see the split. Oh shit. Move, move, move. Yeah, no. You're probably going to die. Yeah. Yeah, last time I didn't see the second phase of this enemy, where it splits into 3 dogs. So we're doing better. A little bit at a time. Oh, this is nice. What do we got? Improve colossal weapon attack power. That I need. Roar and breath attacks. Yes. Giant's flame incantation. Not so much. What are you? Uh-huh. These two are good. I need to place some stuff on me. Let me do this real quick. So we're going to remove you and then place this here and put this here. Anything else? Well, I can use some intelligence. That's fine. And I think that's it. See if I can purchase something out of the merchant over here. Me got some merc. Maybe one of these. That sucks. I'm gonna go sell that one. Can I sell it here? No. Where do I sell this? Oh, here. No. I remember I could sell those. Don't remember how.
Wishest thou to converse?
I wish thou not. Where do I sell my thingies?
What is it? I will do. Fortune favors the well-prepared.
Maybe if I remove it first. No. I've already sold one of these. I don't remember where. Yeah, acquired relics can also be sold. How? I do not remember. I don't remember. Never mind. Let's go again. We'll do one more run and I'm done. I wonder, where are you going? We should be killing things. Nice. Clarify, Volley says, and this one's good. Oh no, 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 no. No, please, please no. No dragon. I'll take this, but no dragon. Where are they? Really? We're going for the... Oh shit. Oh crap. Oh god, 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 oh god. Ugh. Yeah, obviously no. Like, why? Shit. You can't take a dragon on level 2. Or just grab my stuff. Where is my stuff? Over here. Yeah, that thing is coming. What's this? Yep. Mine. Okay. No, thank you. Oof. Cutting it close over there. Do I have enough for... a level up? Wonder. Yep. Level 3. Ooh. Holy shit. This one's annoying. Ow! Told ya! Gotta heal, gotta heal, gotta heal, gotta heal. No, 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 no. Alright, let's do this. Boink. And boink. Can you get him up? Nope, okay, I'll get him up then. Shit, that was close. Way too close. Ah, shit. This is way too constrained of a place. I'm gonna put this here. Timing is off on that one. No. It was an unfortunate place to fight this thing. And now we gotta go. No. Nobody was paying attention. Not a great run, this one. Now I lost a level. And pretty much all the souls I had. And I'm back to what? Level 1? I don't even know. Oh my god. You annoying bitches. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? No, seriously, where are we going? This is not good. This is not good. This is not good. Oh my god. Ah, such a bad run. So sad to end it in such a sad note. Bullshit. No, no. Oh, no. Okay. This is gonna go bad. Like really, really bad. Told ya. I'm gonna do my best, but just got tossed around. No way. Yeah. Okay. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Still got some stuff. Anyway. Let me get out of here real quick. There we go. Come on. Why are you not? Where is my desktop? Where is my desktop? What happened? There it is. Okay. Thank you so much for joining me. As always, we are going to raid. So if you want to stick around, we're gonna raid. Oh, you're not working? Ah, there it is. We're gonna raid Muhuros. I don't know what she's playing. What is she playing? I don't reckon. Looks like Subnautica, maybe? I don't recognize that game. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you on Monday. We will continue working on the app, the gas mileage app, and continue playing games at the end. So thank you so much. I hope you have a great weekend. And if I can get this to work, there you go. Okay, bye.